mainly concentrated towards the ill effects. I hope every audible to the end. सुनाई आ रहा है? तो this presentation will be all about the ill effects of tobacco and the problems being faced in leaving this deleterious habit. So we will be starting with the presentation with a quote that tobacco leaves an unseen scar. Unseen scar. It feeds you your inside with toxins and tar. So it is nothing but filling you with toxins and tar. You will be surprised to know that in today's time there are 1.1 million tobacco users in the world, and if at all this trend continues with the same speed, by 2025 there will be 1.6 billion tobacco users in the world. India is nowhere behind, and huge tobacco use is causing deaths in India as 1.5 million per year. That means every year in India only 1.5 million people are dying due to tobacco usage. Tobacco is being consumed in various forms, that is smoking form, chewable form, sniff and dipping. Chewable form is being further classified or further can be used as forms of gurkha, candy, mawa and pan masala. You must all be aware of this, but you must not be aware that every 13 seconds a person dies due to tobacco consumption. इसके बावजूद भी क्या आप फिर भी इसका सेवन करना चाहते हैं? ये सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है. It is not about deaths. It is a multifactorial disturbance being caused due to tobacco. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम, as it is being heavily taxed. जो एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट का कॉस्ट है वो बहुत कम है. गवर्नमेंट ने उस पर टैक्स लगा रखे हैं एंड हेंस दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर वेरी कॉस्टली बीइंग अवेलेबल. तो सबसे बड़ा इकोनॉमिक लॉस है खुद के लिए. सोशल कल्चरल लॉस, बिकॉज आप स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं, आप फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स को उतना टाइम नहीं दे पाते हैं, इसकी वजह से सोशल कल्चरल लॉस है. एंड हेल्थ लॉस, तो हम सभी जानते हैं that tobacco is causing cancer and tobacco is causing lot of diseases. We will be discussing them one by one. There are more than 4,000 constituents in tobacco which can cause diseases right from the head to the toe. Right from the head, when we say, it means even the loss of hair. It starts from loss of hair to the gangrene in foot. So the diseases are right from head to the toe. There are a lot of constituents which are poisonous and which I would like to bring forward to you, being used in cigarettes, that is nicotine, which is being used in insecticides, जो हम पेस्ट कंट्रोल के लिए यूज करते हैं, हम खेतों में यूज करते हैं इंसेक्टिसाइड. निकोटिन वो है. अमोनिया एक टॉयलेट क्लीनर में यूज होता है, कंस्टिट्यूएंट है टॉयलेट क्लीनर का. मेंथॉल रॉकेट फ्यूल में यूज होता है. मीथेन फ्यूल गैस में मिलती है. ये सभी कंस्टिट्यूएंट ऐसे हैं जो कि टोबैको या सिगरेट से पाए जाते हैं, जो कि हम